We received excellent project applications this year, many coming from our many federations. In fact, 6 out of the 16 nominees came from federations. Thank you to Bally Peak Outlook Foundation for partnership from 2020 through this year's edition. I look forward to the evening and hearing from last year's winner, Fondation Grand Paradis, then the Alpine Club of Canada State of the Mountains report, and the runner-up, the Best New Initiative, and finally revealing this year's winner. Enjoy the proceedings.
Thank you, Peter. Okay, we're going to run a video here, and we're going to look back at last year's winner, which is the Giroparchi Nature Trail by the Fondation Gran Paradiso from Italy. And we'll have a look at what they've achieved and what they were able to accomplish by winning the award in 1920-21. If you could please start the video.
Thanks to UIAA Mountain Protection Award that as Fondation Gran Paradis we won last year for our project Giroparchi Nature Trail, we organized this year a special edition and 3 weeks of trail for 3 different groups of teenagers. The 10th edition of Giroparchi Nature Trail has been held here in Val Savaranche, in the heart of Gran Paradiso National Park.
What an amazing experience to work with the kids. It's always so exciting, and they help to know how it's important my job, and it's nice to continue to work with them.
It was an absolute privilege to be able to work and to teach English in such a beautiful environment, surrounded by these wonderful mountains, and also to work with Davide and learn about how important it is to protect the environment, to protect the flora and the fauna.
It's always nice to spend having a good time in the mountains, especially here in the heart of Gran Paradiso National Park in Val Savaranche. We are surrounded by amazing mountains like Gran Paradiso, and watching the kids learning always new things, and it's nice to see how they learn to be part of the national park, not just as a tourist, but they really become part of an ecosystem. They learn how to live in this amazing valley. It's really nice.
To celebrate the 100th anniversary of Gran Paradiso National Park, the trekking has been dedicated to the conservation of the alpine ibex. That is the symbol of Gran Paradiso, but also of the whole Alps. The ibex survived in these mountains and was reintroduced from Slovenia to France, thanks to the park.
Very funny.
It's very good.
It's very good, the trekking.
Giroparchi boys and girls could share this knowledge, could dive into the natural world and exchange this fantastic mountain experience, enhancing stewardship and sustainable values. Thanks to UIAA for your great support.
Fantastic.